Today I want to share with you a hack that I have with tofu. Some people really don't know what to do with tofu. So what I like to do is I usually get an extra firm tofu. The first thing I do with this is I put it in the freezer and I actually freeze it solid. And then the next day, take it out of the freezer, let it thaw in the refrigerator so I can get some of the liquid out. So obviously you can see that there's a ton of liquid. I'm going to put it in this bowl so you can see how much a ton is. So there's all the starting liquid. Get out as much as I can. I'm going to pull the tofu out and put it on this tray or this plate right here. It's still a little frozen. Okay, get that packaging out of the way. Now the next thing it's still a little frozen in the middle. So I am going to literally just squeeze it, the tofu, and get more of the liquid out. Even pressure. Okay. Now there's still a ton of water in here. So the next thing I like to do is I like to put it on a plate and put something heavy on top. Let's see what we've got heavy. Ooh, that's cold. Now I'm going to go ahead and all right, I found a bowl of leftover peaches. So what I'm going to do is put another clean plate on top of it, put this bowl of peaches on top, and it'll start putting pressure on here. And as this thaws out some more liquid will come out, and we'll keep draining it, and I'll show you how much liquid we end up with, because the key to crispy tofu is get rid of as much liquid as you can. So I'll bring you back whenever this thing has completely thawed out and we've gotten as much liquid out as possible. So the tofu has been in the refrigerator for about, I don't know, probably 2-3 hours. And I went ahead and set a gallon of milk on top of it. So let me show you how much more liquid we got out. So just when you think you've got it all out, keep going. Now, the texture on this is getting pretty good. It's still frozen on the inside, so we still have some more time. I mean, water is still coming out. So as this thing continues to thaw out, we'll be able to get more liquid out of here. All right, we'll keep you posted. All right, so it's the next day, and this is the result of the process of freezing your tofu and draining it. So if you look, there is absolutely no water left, and these are bone dry, and they are going to fry up so nicely. So I'll bring you back. We're going to put a little bit of sauce on them, and then I'm going to grill them up, and we'll bring you back and let you see how nice and crispy these turn out now that you've reduced all the water and used the freeze thaw method. So what I've done is I've dipped the tofu in the sauce that I made and put a little bit of butter on the griddle and laid that down. And now we're going to just kind of let it crisp up and grill up both sides so we can add it to whatever we want to add it to. There they are. Couple really nice pieces. Flip it over for you. Nice and crispy and wonderful.